Hey there, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and in this video we're going to take a deep dive into what makes Rochester, Minnesota a fantastic place for real estate. But before we get started, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so that you stay updated on Rochester's real estate market. Rochester is more than just a city. It's a thriving community, renowned for its world-class healthcare facilities like the Mayo Clinic and Olmsted Medical, but Rochester's appeal goes way beyond healthcare. It's a city that's buzzing with a lot of cultural events, beautiful parks, and excellent educational opportunities, offering a lifestyle that's both really vibrant and community-oriented. When you're considering living in Rochester, it's important to look at the cost of living. While housing and healthcare might be above the national average, which reflects the city's growth and the quality of our services, other expenses like utilities and transportation are really quite in line with the national averages. It's a balance of various factors that really contribute to the overall cost of living here. Rochester's job market is pretty robust as well. It spans healthcare, manufacturing, education, and technology sectors. And this makes it really an ideal place for professionals from all walks of life. The city boasts a variety of public and private schools, numerous grocery stores, cafes, and restaurants, and many unique neighborhoods, which really offers something for every taste and budget. So let's talk about the housing market here in Rochester. The market is currently a hot spot for sellers, with low inventory of homes, and the average listing price is around $394,000, which is slightly decreased by 11.8% from last year. Homes in Rochester are staying on the market for an average of about 39 days, and that's a 30% increase from last year. However, homes are still selling at about 99% of their list price. So all of this tells us that we're really in a balanced market for both buyers and sellers. As you start your home buying journey, it involves smart planning and really understanding the local real estate market. Begin by assessing your finances and getting pre-approved for your mortgage. Then you can go out and explore the right location and home type for you. Making an offer involves a lot of strategic thinking, with saving room for inspections and financing considerations. And the process then continues with the actual inspection and possibly even more negotiations. The closing of your home purchase involves a lot of legal steps, transferring of ownership, and really settling all of those financial details. So your closing company plays a crucial role. Once all of this is done, the home is yours and you get to receive the keys to your new home, marking the start of your new chapter in your life. And here is one more bonus tip. Consider sales tax. Yes, you heard me right, and I'm sure you're all asking, why is sales tax relevant to real estate here in Rochester? Well, let's find out. The sales tax here in Rochester hovers around 8.13% on average when you're buying or selling personal stuff and certain services. So here's how all of that breaks down. As of 2024, the state sales tax rate here in Minnesota is 6.88%. The local sales tax rate is 0.75%. And just to keep things very interesting, Olmsted County, where Rochester is, has its own transit tax with a rate of about 0.5%. You combine all of these, including the state sales tax rate, and voila, you get a minimum combined sales tax rate of 8.13% for all of your transactions in our charming city of Rochester. As a homeowner in Minnesota, your property taxes are around the national average, which is about 1.08% of the assessed value of your home. But here in Olmsted County, the property tax rate is just a bit more at 1.20%. And here's why all of this is important. Factoring in these ancillary costs is key when you're budgeting for your move so that you can get the clearest picture of your entire cost of living here in Rochester, Minnesota. And if you liked this video, please make sure to hit the like button and click on the boxes on your screen to see more of my videos too. Comment down below if you have any questions and I'll make sure I answer all of them. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate, and we love where we live and we want you to love where you live too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.